right, we officially have a mini forest of milkweed. The first monarch of the season. She might be laying eggs. She is, that's what she's doing. She's laying eggs. She flew from so far to get here. This is awesome. You see her back end touching in the flower pots. Alright, so I let the monarch fly around for a while and she's left the area, so I'm checking to see if I can find some of her eggs. There they are. They lay them on the underside of the leaves so they're protected. Right, this is the underside. There. The underside of that leaf.